So, so I showed you a good meal replacement before. Gains. No, I was kidding. I showed you a good meal replacement before. That's another problem I'm having. All these shirts that used to fit like good, now the collar is like way down here. Like really good. Okay, so here we go with one that's going to be commercially available. The SlimFast Advanced Nutrition. Now, there's a little trick on this one. What does it say? It says 20 grams high protein, right? When you look on the back, you're not going to be able to see it, but I did this a video on this the other day, and I started to buy it to try it out. It's 20 grams of protein. If you have it with a glass of fat-free milk. Now, why would you not want to have fat-free milk? I just said in the last video that you'll probably see this one before that one, because that one I have a bunch of clips edited together, and I uploaded it in high quality 720p 60 frames per second to try to bring a little bit better quality to these videos. So with this one, you have 3.5 grams of fat, 0.5 of that, or 5 grams of fat, saturated fat, and then no trans fat. Cholesterol 20 milligrams, sodium 180 milligrams, potassium 180 milligrams, carbs 7, fiber 5 grams, 1 gram of sugar, and 12 grams of protein. That's just the specs for the powder itself. You get manganese, chromium, and stuff in here. The ingredients in this one are whey protein concentrate, soy protein isolate. No. For men, soy in the body can be read as estrogen, so you do not want it. I have this. I will never buy it again. One container of it isn't going to hurt me, but like over time, you don't want that. You do not want soy protein isolate in your shake or any kind of soy protein. High oleic sunflower oil. Bandit, are you trying to make an appearance? Go over there. Cellulose, maltodextrin, those are thickeners. Soy fiber. Again, soy is not real good for us. Natural and artificial flavors. Salt, soy lecithin. Tried to catch him, but he's too quick. Soy lecithin. So that's another thickener. It's also another soy product. Not real good. Guar carrageenan, and sucralose. Sucralose is an artificial sweetener. I mean, I guess if you have this like once a week or something, this is okay. When I have my meal replacements, or like my protein shakes, like tomorrow, I'm gonna be doing the vegan ones. Most of the time, that's what I do. The only time I really use a whey protein is if I'm gonna be doing like an intense workout, and I need something right after the workout that absorbs quickly into my muscles, gives me the protein, the stuff I need. And I add a little bit of a meal replacement to that. Number one, to keep me satiated. Number two, to add a little bit of fat and stuff into it to kind of keep me from getting hungry. It helps. But something like SlimFast versus something like the Essential 10, this SlimFast one here, first off I want to show you. The SlimFast costed me about I think it was about $15 or something, right? This was like $13. This is a lot healthier for you. This is actually a protein powder as a meal replacement. So essentially you could use this for both if you wanted to. This one. This is anything above 20 grams is actually a good protein powder to use. So this is actually legit a protein powder, but it's classified as a meal replacement. Steer clear of this. Okay, don't get it. There's a lot of artificial sweeteners in here, a lot of thickeners. Just don't think, just things you just don't want. I wouldn't waste my money on this. I wouldn't do it again. I wouldn't waste my money on this again. No. This is going to be in my cupboard for a while because I'm only going to use a little bit of it per week. But I would avoid this one. This is not good. And I'm not saying that because the vegan one or vegan supplements are just better. Because when it comes to the protein powders, my whey protein powder blows my vegan protein powder out of the water. But for meal replacements, the Essential 10 wins this one, man. It has to. It's got less bad stuff and much more good stuff. And it's cheaper. But this commercial stuff, you don't really want this. This isn't where it's at, man. You're not going to really... You might consume less calories and therefore lose weight with this, which is kind of the purpose of them. But you're not going to do it in a way that's really healthy. You're going to do it loaded up with sugar, loaded up, well, not really so much with carbs, but just a lot of sugar, a lot of, thickeners in here to make the protein shake not be watery. But it's a hard no on this one.